Do you also want to experience fishing on the west coast in Sweden? Well, come follow us today and see what it's like.
Bara för det kommer det säkert bli jättemycket saker.
Ja, det kommer inte vara lika mycket som igår.
Så, menar jag.
Nej, det är det inte.
Jo.
Ja, det där var fortfarande väldigt mycket.
Ja, men lägg av. Nej, man måste ha lite.
Today's video is a special one. We are showing you one of my favorite activities in the world, and that's going fishing. We went fishing approximately 1.5 hours outside of Gothenburg, which is near our summer house. And this trip was special since it was the last weekend to fish before the ban comes into play, which lasts from the 1st of November until the 1st of April, so quite a while. And therefore we really had looked forward to this one, and what a weekend we had. I can't lie, the weather isn't always this nice, and the sun isn't always shining. But even if it isn't, fishing feels so natural, and it feels like you are doing what you are supposed to do. You are also getting some motion, you are walking around, and you're getting some exercise. Even if it's small amount, you are outside for the entire day, so it becomes quite a bit of exercise. Also, you get to put up a fire and make your own food out in the forest, so it's a very all-encompassing experience. As you can tell, the nature is very particular for Bohuslän as well. If someone put a blindfold on me and dropped me in a random place in Bohuslän, you could really tell where you are in Sweden.
This nature is truly mind-blowing. I hope we're capturing it how we are experiencing it right now, because I wouldn't want to be anywhere else in the world right now. Now we're at the beach to check out some signature Bohuslän findings or objects, and one of them is the typical blue mussel. You see here, I think it's very beautiful. Actually, some people make like kitchen accessories of these, which you can keep the salt in, stuff like that.
Wow.
Don't keep that in edit. You wanted to show me something?
Yes.
Wow. Now you're happy.
Yes.
om det är tillräckligt varmt.
Yeah. We didn't find any fish for now, but we're on the hunt for something else.
Yes.
The gold of the forest. Chanterelles. Yummy, yummy.
Very yummy.
Not bad.
Nope.
Good job.
One great thing, but also a negative thing about fishing is that it's very unpredictable. So you never know if you're gonna get some food or not. But what's absolutely lovely anyway in the Swedish autumn is of course the mushrooms, and more in particular the chanterelles. I mean, the toast you can make using these with some cheese if you'd like, or just simply fry them in butter in a frying pan. I mean, there's not many better things on this planet than a chanterelle toast pre-dinner. And I hope all of you have had the pleasure to experience it at least once in your lifetime. If not, you need to do it soon.
Wow.
Femvänding, så barn, pyssling. Jag tror det bara var ditt spår. Ja, jag fick på jag är 95,6% skandinav. Och så var det 3% kvinnor.
Wow.
10 out of 10. Post lunch, it's time to catch this dinner. We ain't going home without having at least one sea trout. So, next time you see us, I'm holding a trout.
Perfect.
I told you we were going to see each other again when we caught sea trout. Well, things didn't go to plan, and it's not looking good, bro. It's looking like we're going home empty-handed, even though we went fishing from 10 until 17. But that's fine because we have experienced the beautiful nature of Bohuslän, so I'm happy either way.
And now finishing the day off, this toast featuring fresh lobster caught by one of my dad's friends, and it was one of the greatest things I've ever had, and that's being truthful.
And make sure you like and subscribe, and you tune in for the next video. See ya.